Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah Beavers and I do beauty and mental health content. So today I wanted to talk about a skincare routine that's majority based serums. And so that being my sheet mask, different other serums, oils, and a lighter skincare routine for lighter weather. So if you're interested, go ahead and keep watching. So first I went ahead and got started with my Boschka charcoal ball jelly. Or is it a jelly charcoal ball? And this is really great for removing makeup. I had a little bit of makeup on from just practicing and playing around with makeup. And this also does a nice deep cleaning for the skin, being that it has charcoal in it. Okay, so next I went in with my hydrating water sheet mask with purified water and aloe. And this single-use sheet mask hydrates and nourishes for glowing, healthy-looking skin. The cooling formula leaves the skin feeling hydrated and refreshed. The sheet mask is enriched with purified water, aloe, and hyaluronic acid that helps nourish and hydrate. So this is actually one of my favorite sheet masks. They're e.l.f. Cosmetics. They're about $3. And I personally don't recommend spending anything. Got some extra pieces. I personally don't recommend spending anything past $2 to $3 on a sheet mask. Okay, so next I went in with The Body Shop, the line Drops of Youth, the Youth Essence Lotion. And Essence is one of my favorite products that I've recently just now started using, or one of my favorite types of skincare products that I've recently started using. And it really does help lock in moisture and kind of prep your skin for all of the moisture that you're about to put on it, like your moisturizers, your oils, your serums. Okay, so next as well in the Drops of Youth line, I went in with my Youth Concentrate. And this is a really great product. Apply every morning and evening. I finally went in with my Tarte Macuja oil. I can't say nothing right, but I went in with my Macuja oil. And this stuff is amazing. I really like it. And after I went in with my Tatcha, the Silk Cream Moisturizer. And whenever I'm using a lot of products, I love using this moisturizer, but it also feels really, really good on the skin. And then finally, to top everything off, I use my Dream Screen sunscreen. It's the SPF 45 and it's oil free. It's one of my favorites, my tried and true. And then finally, I topped everything off with my Dior lip gloss as always. interested in more beauty videos, go ahead and subscribe, and thanks for watching.